today we are making a Philadelphia steak cheese sandwich.
All right, steak cheese sandwich, amazing.
So we got our steak.
Like, for just 2 seconds, I had some sort of hope. I had something in me thinking, you know what, that sounds nice. Then she puts a steak in the microwave. It's not even on a plate, it's just raw dog in the microwave.
Turn it over. We just got to wait now.
For what? For it to breathe? For what?
Cut it up. Steak.
Oh God, it's so rare. You could put that back in the packet and sell it again.
There you go.
What was that? What was that shot?
And here it is, guys. Philadelphia steak.
That once jumped off the Empire State Building. I hit that the other day in the road and didn't pick it up. Horrendous. The fact that a cow died for that.